Hello. Hi, hi, hi. What's up? What's up? Hello, hello. Come on in. Long time, ladies. How are you doing? Yes, I'm doing fine. Anu, how are you? Very, very long time, I know. But Jessie, I got some time today. I was like, chal, let's go say hi to you all. How are you doing? Come on in, let's chat. How's it going? It's actually been ages that I've not said hi to y'all. I mean, the last time I remember was a couple of months ago. वो भी एकदम abrupt end हुआ था, and that's how I think it's going to end today also. So as my baby cries, I'll be like, okay, chalo, bye, bye, bye. I have to go. How's it going, ladies? One second, I'm going to set this camera properly. Yeah, so I just thought of coming and checking if people are still joining this live, and do they still have questions to ask now that we are sailing in the same boat. We are sailing in the same boat of weight loss. Once again, I am on my weight loss journey, and oh god, it is exhausting. I completely understand. I have some questions, Dee, once you start. I think we can start. I am not going to wait for XYZ number of people to join because I am coming with a time limit. So even if one of you is available here and you want to talk and ask a question, be my guest. Let's go for it. So yeah, ask anything. बस पूछते रहो. जब तक मेरे पास वक्त है मैं आंसर करती रहूँगी. Wow, a lot of new names that I've not seen before. Okay, by the time you start asking questions, I'm going to set this camera straight. I think it's fine now. Yes. Okay, I think if you guys have any questions, let's go. Shoot. How's it going? Long time. Yes, yes. A very, very long time. I'm doing fine, honestly. I mean, I'm doing okay. I mean, this is a very, very different change for me. I mean, motherhood is just flipping your life around 360 degrees. I think it's slightly easier for the fathers because they still get to, go out and do their thing. But it is a little difficult, I will not lie. Okay, it is taxing, it is draining. Sometimes you want to just run away, but I mean, obviously that's not happening. Okay, cool. So I think we have somebody's question. I want to know how to lose weight if you're having diabetes and your doctor suggested to avoid rice and chapati. Very good. Good question. Very easy. If you can't eat chapati and rice for obvious reasons, move to nachni, jawar and bhakri. Bajra ka roti. Okay, see, bajra gets a little dry, so you can definitely try jawar and nachni for your replacement of roti. And yeah, maintain a good diet, don't go overboard, and remember, if you want to reverse anything in life, do not take the shortcut. Okay, because the moment you start taking shortcuts, your body is already going through something, and then you're putting it you're pressurizing it even more to perform better. You never perform under pressure, please understand. Okay, and your body really wants to take its sweet time to evolve, so give it that time. Start exercising, change your diet, please, 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 please. Because you have diabetes, you have to have self control. No eating bread, no eating देखो फूड में क्या कंट्रोल करना है वो तो आपको भी पता है, आपको नहीं पता है तो चैट जीपीटी पे जाओ, वो आपको पूरा लिस्ट भी दे देगा कि क्या नहीं खाना है, क्या खाना है, टुडे if you're moving forward with the world. I mean, of course there are a lot of cons, but there are also a lot of pros where you can educate yourself and you don't need anybody to educate you, so you can find out your own replacements. You can understand what you should eat, what you should not eat, and gradually it will become your lifestyle. Don't expect कि first day पे you will eat नाचनी का roti and oh my god, it's going to feel like it's irreplaceable and you can live with it. No, you will have to develop the taste. It will take time, but start your exercise, please. Okay, now the reason doctor has told you to avoid it, please listen to him and get started. Okay, don't wait. Diabetes आजकल बच्चों में हो गई है because of the lifestyle people are following, and I'm not blaming anybody because nothing is in our control now, because everything is on your fingertip, and the world is changing. Everything is very fast paced. Everything is very, you want to get this also, that also, and in that race that we are running, I don't know to win from whom, but we are all running a race. So do not look for shortcuts when it comes to your health. Okay, unplanned pregnancy for 2 months before phase 1. Okay, that's not a problem. Everything can change, everything can be reversed. Okay, if not reversed, you can start getting things in control, and you will be fine. Okay, just get started. Hi Twinkle, how are you doing? Long time. I just want to share my feeling. I am 6 months postpartum and I live in Bhubaneswar. I don't get a nanny or babysitter and I feel exhausted, tired, and have to take care of the baby. How's everything, babe? I can completely resonate with you, especially if you are nuclear. I mean, बोलते हैं ना कि before the baby, nuclear family is a win-win, but after the baby, आटे दाल का भाव बराबर पता चलता है. Because it's not easy. There is a reason people say that you need a village to raise a baby, because clearly I can completely understand where you're coming from, because I have one person who helps me, who does the home also, and then when she gets free, she will take the baby, and by the time she comes to take the baby is already sleeping, and right now I have help, but the last 6 months were very, very taxing, very difficult, and that's why you must be seeing that I was not coming online. I still cannot come. I'm very busy right now also. Luckily my baby is sleeping today. Thank you God. So it is very exhausting, I completely understand, but stay strong, and I mean, I don't even know how to give you that assurance that it's going to be fine, because I know sometimes it's not fine, and what you will have to do is you will have to ask your partner to support you as much as he can, because obviously, I mean, I'm sure that if one person is nurturing, the other person is providing, and in that process, even when your husband is back home, I mean, I'm sure he would be helping out, playing with the baby, and that is the time where you can get your rest. And find somebody for help, yaar. I mean, if not for housework, if not for baby work, then at least for housework, find some help. And I mean, I've heard it only gets worse, so I'm not going to say it will get better, because abhi to baby is 6 months, so it's still dependent on you. But once the baby starts crawling, walking, it's going to be a chaos, and you have to be mentally prepared for it, because motherhood is not easy. It will change you, it will evolve you, and क्या बताऊँ, क्या बोलूँ मैं यार तुमको. I mean, I feel you, but I really don't know what to tell you. Just get some help, and at least for your top work, get some help while you're taking care of the baby, and don't look to do everything alone, because when you start doing that, that is when the problem arises. Just give me a second. Parul, Dino नीचे है क्या? एक सेकेंड, आप ये डोर ओपन रखो ना. मुझे लगता है वो नीचे है. एक तो my dog is another problem nowadays. He purposely acts funny. He will just run away if the door is open and we don't even know half the time कि अरे ये भाग चुका है. मुझे कॉल आ रहा था किसी का बिल्डिंग से. Okay, he's back. Okay, so Twinkle, all I have to tell you is keep your calm. Whenever you feel exhausted, whenever you feel like crying, just look into your baby's eyes and you'll feel better. I promise you, that is the only thing that will make you feel better. And hugs help, so get as many hugs as you can from whoever you can. And get some help, babe. Please don't do everything alone. Please, please, please. Your skin is glowing. I'm also using a filter, but yes, my skin has definitely changed after I've become a mother. So yay. Never realized you had curly hair. Dee looks great. Oh my god, I can't tell you. I had to make peace with my curls. I mean, I don't put any product. I just use a lot of serum because when your hair is curly, it is so dry and it looks like jhadu, you know, sometimes. And I really don't have the time to nurture my curls and use a curling cream and scrunch. So all I do is, you know, I take a bath, must टॉवल ड्राई करती हूँ, थोड़ा ऐसे ही स्क्रंच करके बहुत सारा सिरम लगा के छोड़ देती हूँ. फिर जैसे जो एंगल में कर्ल्स को आना है आ जाओ, बिकॉज इन दी एंड तो ये जूड़े में it's not going to stay because I'm a mother now. And yeah, so I don't get the time to exercise. दिन भर बच्चे के पीछे. कभी कभी I feel like crying out loud. Babe, please cry if you feel like crying because that is something that helps. I do that too. I may look very strong. I may look very अरे पास सब हो जाएगा. Of course I have that kind of a mindset. सब कर लूँगी, सब हो जाएगा. Sometimes I do it also, but I cry and I cry a lot. Like I will stuff my face in the pillow and I will cry. I listen to songs and I cry. कभी कभी रोना नहीं आता and you want to cry, you start listening to songs, अपने आप आ जाएगा. So yeah, crying will help, but you know, maybe if you don't have time to exercise, maybe once your husband is home, and I know you're exhausted, but that is the choice. Like today I was very tired, okay? I was very exhausted. I'm still very tired. I could choose to go to sleep, but I want to sleep at night, so I'm not sleeping right now. I decided to come talk to you guys. So in the evening, I had an option when my baby went down for a stroll. I had an option to either just put myself on the bed. I was very exhausted. Let me tell you, I'm not even kidding. I was so exhausted. Like I'm still feeling like feverish today. So I had to make a choice, and trust me when I show you guys that I'm working out, it's not for 1 hour. Life is not the same anymore, okay? But I definitely take out 15 to 20 minutes. I made a choice कि यार तू आराम कर या तू थोड़ा अपने mental health के. I'm not working out to lose weight. Definitely I want to lose weight. ऐसा नहीं है कि I don't want to, but that is not my right now. That's not my only focus. My mental health is my focus, and I need to feel sane, and only exercise makes me feel that. It makes me feel a different kind of confidence, and a confident woman can do absolutely anything in this world, okay, Twinkle? So when you're exhausted, take 15 minutes, do your burpees, squats, थोड़े lunges कर लो, थोड़ा जो भी कर सकती हो करो, but 10 minutes करो. You will feel so much better. And वो अलग kind of energy आ जाएगी आपके अंदर. Hi Binal, I'm doing fine. How are you? Long time. How are you? How's your husband doing? I remember your husband's face. I don't know why I remember his face, but I remember your and his pictures together. So, wow, how are you? Can I please meet you? I'm from Mumbai too. आ जाओ प्लीज, मिलो, कोई तो आके मिलो. All my friends are either you know, busy in their own lives, because obviously as you know, reach your mid-30s, life gets a little busy, a lot busy. And when you become a mother, then छोड़ दे यार बहन, वहाँ पहुँचेगी तब पता चलेगा. When you become a mother, then you definitely get very busy, and there is no regret. Absolutely not. I'm still in touch with my friends, but I can't meet them as often as I used to. I can't chill for like 5, 6, 7, 8 hours that we used to, and that's okay. So yeah, whenever I step out, I mean, I don't know, please DM me if you're around. We can definitely catch up, not for a cup of coffee, for one round of the garden, but we will definitely meet. Alfredo, Ganpati Bappa Moria. Oh God, I better see you this Ganesh Chaturthi, okay? Alfredo, you have to come here, and we are going to dance, and I'm going to get my baby along, and let's flip your dream this time. Just hold on, please. Things I have to do for you all. Okay, I want to lose weight and reverse diabetes, and also want to plan pregnancy in the next 3-4 months. And just so you know, I was 87 today and I'm 78 doing OMAD, which is MTB हुआ था. Okay, when you're doing one meal a day, babe, I would highly recommend, if you have diabetes, please don't do anything crash. I mean, you're playing with your metabolism. देख, weight loss kg में हो जाएगा, सब हो जाएगा, तेरा skin sag होगा, hair fall होगा. तो why are you taking extreme steps? I don't understand. Why don't you try intermittent fasting instead of one meal a day? Because yaar, why are you troubling your body when it is already troubled? Why are you doing that to yourself? Your body is already fighting diabetes, okay? It's already in a state of shock where it's not able to handle something, okay? And ऊपर से आप उसके ऊपर और चीज़ें डाल रहे हो. एक खराब चीज़ को ठीक करने के लिए आप एक खराब चीज़ कर रहे हो, तो चीज़ें खराब ही होंगी. इट इज़ नॉट गोइंग टू गेट एनी बेटर, ओके? सो वॉट यू हैव टू डू इज स्टॉप योर वन मील अ डे, start intermittent fasting, start with a 10-hour fasting window initially, understand how your body is reacting, and eat clean during your eating window ना. मतलब सब एक झटके में चेंज करने का सीन जो है ना, वो कभी भी सक्सेसफुल नहीं होता है. यू नो, गिव इट टाइम. टाइम विल only heal. I want to start Monjaro. What is your take? I'm so sorry, I don't know what Monjaro is. Are you talking about that? I don't know what Monjaro is. Can you please explain me? I have been a little away from reality because my reality is my baby right now, and one room with my baby. So you'll have to please explain me. If you're talking about Ozempic, then please let's not even get there. And I think Monjaro is that. So Deepika, please let me know what exactly is that. Yeah, I don't want to be I know it all. I don't know, please tell me. If it's what I'm thinking, then we can talk about it. डिलीवरी के बाद बहुत हेयर लॉस होता है, I heard. Is it true? I mean, it depends यार. होता है, थोड़ा बहुत तो होता ही है, बट वैसे भी हमको हेयर फॉल होता है वेदर के वजह से, ये वो. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि आप गंजी हो जाओगे, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, बट बेसिक तो होता ही है. हाँ, थोड़ा बहुत तो होता है, विच इज़ फाइन यार. आई मीन, इतना स्ट्रेस क्या लेना है. आप न्यूट्रिशियस खाना खाओ, 1 साल में फिर आपका मस्त हो जाएगा सब. रिलैक्स. हाय सुमा, हाउ आर यू? हैव यू रीच्ड मुंबई? आर यू इन मुंबई? लेट मी नो. Okay. Where are we? Considering my case, can I still go for OMAD? Please don't. Unnav. I don't know what your name is, Unnati, or please tell me your name. Please do not go for OMAD. Do intermittent fasting instead, and please stop doing things that will give you quick fixes, and then you will come back to a state where it gets worse than where you are. Okay, so let's not get there. Chanchal, you helped me break through my sorry, I'm going to read this again. Varlika, Chanchal, you helped me break through my mental block regarding strength training. I have now joined the gym and get compliments about my posture, and every time it happens, I thank you in my head. Yahoo! I'm very happy for you, Varlika, and very, very proud of you, very happy for you, and I really, really miss your classes. Thank you. I miss you guys too, and every day I want to, just post about we're going to start working out soon, but I don't know, I'm just not able to push myself there as yet, because whenever I see my baby's face, I'm like, no, I'm not going anywhere. I want to be there, here, like present. So hopefully we'll do things soon, but I'm so happy for you. I'm so happy that I could play this part in your life and help you with your obstacle, and very, very proud of you. Please keep going, and please keep motivating other people around you, and yeah, very happy for you. Hi, I have a question. Please go ahead. Like, we see a lot of videos of different exercises and get confused what to do and what not, and how to pick exercises which are best for us. See babe, you know what, everything is good for you and everything can be bad for you if your posture is incorrect. Okay, so work on basics first. Okay, your basics are like basics. Okay, your squats, lunges, अपने कार्डियो में आ गया बर्पीज, योर जंपिंग जैक, थोड़ा स्ट्रेंथ में अपर बॉडी के लिए इंचवर्म इज सो गुड. डू योर डेड बग्स, डू योर क्रंचेस, and first work on these basics in and around. Get your form correct, then after your form get your speed correct, after your speed get your intensity correct. Okay, well, even if you play around these 5 to 10 exercises like your squat, sumo squat, reverse lunges, curtsy lunges, and these 5-10 exercises का आप एक बकेट बना लो और इनको मिक्स करते रहो रोज अलग अलग तरीके से, एंड यू जस्ट वर्क ऑन फर्स्ट getting your foundation correct. In that process only you will see a lot of difference. Like today, unfortunately, because of such a big incision in my stomach, I am not able to do a lot of exercises that I used to do before my pregnancy. Okay, because that time your body is raw and very different, and after pregnancy your body is very different, especially if you have a C-section. So just get your base correct, and in that process only you will start seeing changes. I mean, don't fall for gimmicks like ऐसा 100 बार 10 मिनट कर लो आपका वेट लॉस हो जाएगा. नहीं यार, ऐसा मत करो प्लीज. आई मीन, इट इज गुड टू वॉच एंड इट इज गुड टू फील गुड दैट अरे ऐसा करने से हो जाएगा, बट अगर आप कुछ नहीं कर रही हो तो आप ऐसा भी कर लो, उसमें भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. बट गेट दीज few exercises and work on them. Chanchal, you changed my life. Thank you so much. Hey, please don't say that. But I really feel nice when you guys say that to me. I mean, I think I have found the purpose of my life. I may have not made a lot of money when it comes to social media. I may have not sold any product to you all, but this is what I live for. I mean, this is my purpose, getting blessings from you all, being that one little change in your life without even knowing you personally. I mean, that means so much. Yay, I'm proud of you all and myself. 10 kgs के बाद समझा था दी कि I am diabetic. That's why. That's not a problem. Now you know. So change your route, your direction, थोड़ा बदलो, and you will get there. Okay? जल्दी का काम शैतान का काम होता है, नहीं करना प्लीज. हार्मोनल इम्बैलेंस हो सकता है क्या? वेट स्टक हो रहा है बार बार, वेट लॉस के लिए क्या करूं? बार बार वेट लॉस के लिए अपना वेट चेक करना बंद कर दो. अभी मेरे को लिटरली 60 दिन हो गए हैं वेट लॉस करके, और मेरा आधा ग्राम भी कम नहीं हुआ है. कभी कभी तो ज्यादा बताता है, बट हु केयर्स? आई मीन, एज फार एज यू नो व्हाट योर गोल इज एंड यू आर वर्किंग टुवर्ड्स इट एवरी डे, वन डे यू विल बी सरप्राइज्ड. I am saying that with confidence because I have done it in the past and I have lost more than what I need to lose today. So that is the only route you have to take. Keep going. Close your eyes, close your ear, don't close your nose because you need to breathe, and just keep going. Okay, just keep going. Don't check that weighing machine. It is only going to demotivate you, play with your mental health, and not let you reach where you want to go. Okay, Sabi, समझा क्या अभी? Okay, going down. I was in Mumbai for transit, that's all. I know, yaar. But next time you come for a longer transit, okay? So that you could move out and come and see me. Sorry. Okay, one last question. Will gym be good? Anything. Gym करो, अखाड़ा करो, कहीं भी जाओ, घर पे करो, टेरेस पे करो, अंडरग्राउंड करो, बट करो. Anything is a good option right now for you. Okay, so just go for it. Do wherever you want to. Home is the best place, I feel, if you have a little space for yourself at home, because then you don't have to get anywhere. Because आधा laziness तो हमको यहाँ से वहाँ उठ के जाने में होता है. घर में ही हमको इतना आलस आता है कि हम उठ के चेंज करके या उठ के वही कपड़ों में एक्सरसाइज कर लें. उसके लिए भी it takes a lot of self pepping. So you choose what is best for you. If you want to go to the gym, do it and do it. I saw a 7-minute 7-day weight loss challenge. It's very famous. So do you have any idea how effective? If you lose weight in 7 days, in 7 minutes, it will come back in 7 days again. Okay, once you stop doing it. So please don't fall for such gimmicks. But 7 minutes exercising is better than 0 minutes. So just start, even if it is for 7 minutes. Okay, it may or may not be famous. I don't know about it because I'm not spending a lot of time on social media seeing such workouts. If I do it, I only do it for memes to share it with my girlfriends so I can laugh and feel better. But that's all. Also, strength training is important. Hanji, it is important. Hey Chanchal, how are you doing? Hi Ria, I'm doing fine. How are you? Okay, I think I've answered most of your questions. But what is with this, yaar? Matlab everybody, I've stopped. I used to do it too, but I would never claim like do this for 7 minutes and you will lose weight in 7 days. I mean, come on. I mean, we are matured adults, educated. We know we've done basic science in school. So what keeps us from logical thinking? I don't understand. Why don't we use the logical side of our brain ever? Guys, don't fall for everything that social media is throwing on your face. Please. I mean, it is the biggest dark hole that you are putting yourself in when it comes to your skin care, when it comes to your hair care, when it comes to your mental health, when it comes to your physical health, when it comes to your relationships, when it comes to anything. Please don't go to social media to look for shortcuts. I mean, there are good things also, but very rare. Manjot Kaur, you are my favorite. Thank you. मैं भी अपनी favorite too. Just kidding. But yeah, thanks a lot. It really means a lot when I see messages like this, where this much difference I've brought to your life. So I'm very happy about it. Hi, Prasun ma'am. Hottie. How are you? Hey, do you remember me? Real Kushal Mehra. Nobody. I'm so sorry I don't remember you, but hi. Prasun ma'am, how are you doing? Your after workout picture was very sexy. I mean, कुछ कहना चाहोगी उसके बारे में? You are getting hotter day by day as you are aging like fine wine, lady. I mean, so good. Ma'am, this live video was for I mean, it's still on. I mean, it's just general. We're talking about everybody. We're talking about everything under the sun. Weight, mental health, whatever. But I'm not going to recommend any skincare brand or hair care brand because I don't use it myself. Really admire you. Love from Pakistan. Thank you, Ariba. Lots of love to you too. Lots of love. Genuinely. Okay. Present, ma'am? How's it going? Did you feel like a pari today? And what about the other ladies? Are you guys working out together or no? Hi Smithu, how are you? We just spoke a couple of days ago, so I know you are fine. Trying my best to keep up with the workouts. Keep going, keep going. You have to motivate the others, okay? I hope Vani ma'am, Izzy ma'am, Manisha ma'am, all of you all are doing very well. How's Princess doing? How old is she now? Well, she is not old enough and she's doing well, getting so naughty. She was under the weather for a couple of days and those days were very difficult for the both of us because we had sleepless nights. But yeah, just pray that she gets better soon. But yeah, otherwise she's, touch wood, very cute and she's the best thing that has happened to me. Whenever I look at her, I feel like, oh my god, I must have done something right in life to have somebody like her in my life who's going to call me her mama. And yes, she has started calling me ma. So I love that. And I mean, I have to pinch myself like, is this really happening? I mean, is she calling me ma? And yeah, that's a very good feeling. It's so emotional. My god. She will be better. You take care of her and you too. Yes, I am doing that. I am at it. But the weather in Mumbai is really bad. I mean, everybody is falling sick. So, yeah, we're doing what we can do. They're all well, meeting them on Saturday. Kya baat hai. Please share pictures. And I love seeing when you ladies meet up and click all these sexy pictures and send it to me. I feel so happy. I can't wait to reach there. ओके और क्या यार, बातें करो. अभी मेरे पास फुकट टाइम है तो कोई कुछ बातें ही नहीं कर रहा है. If you have anything else to chat about, I'm really free today. I want to sleep. I'm very sleepy, but I'm not going to sleep because I want to sleep at night. Okay, I must have missed a few questions. Let me scroll up. ठीक है, फिर अभी मैं जाती हूँ. ठीक है, I'm going to watch some TV. Any good shows you guys want to recommend? When are we starting our workouts? पता नहीं यार. Motivate me to start. I want to, but let's see. I really want to, like really want to get that energy back in my home where I'm yelling like, come on, let's go, one more time, let's do this. I really miss it. And yeah, we'll do something soon. I spoke to Divya the other day and like I spoke to her and I said like, करके आओ तुम अपना हनीमून, ये सब जो भी करना है फटाफट कर लो, बच्चा मत करना, अभी वर्कआउट करना है हमको. But please यार कर लो, we need you. I need you all as well. It's the same. I mean, I'm sure my body will also change when we start our sessions because that is a different kind of energy and I miss that. So we're going to bring something soon. Maybe we won't do it every day, maybe we do it 3 days a week, but we'll do something. पक्का करेंगे यार. करना तो है, मतलब मैं करना चाहती हूँ, मुझे करना है, बस give me some time, maybe August, September. Let's see. I'm not promising anything now. Let's hope for the best, है ना? But we'll definitely do something. Okay, ladies, it was fun talking to you all. I hope you do fine. Please keep working out. Pray करो. जो भी चाहिए लाइफ में उसके लिए कदम बढ़ाओ and things will be fine, okay? Reach out to me anytime you feel like you need someone and I will reach out to you, speak to you. Okay, bye-bye. Ladies and me. Oh, ladies and Alfredo. Yes, for sure. That were listening. Okay, Alfredo, you, special mention for you. Okay, and you better come to India in September. If you're not coming, I'm going to come there and pull you and get you here. Okay, so don't fly Air India though. Just kidding. Okay, I'm going to see you soon. Bye bye.